Welcome back to this NASCAR Heat 5 Truck Series Championship Mode series. Once again, we're back on this series. Todd Gillen, 38 Front Row Motorsports truck. This is the second race of the season. Las Vegas, the Strat 200 at Las Vegas. And same settings as last time. Didn't change a thing. Use season standings. You remember I won the last race at Daytona. So the point standings right now is pretty much the finishing results of the Daytona race. So yeah, and not much to talk about the standings. We only done one race, so let's go to Las Vegas, shall we? And here we are, the Las Vegas garage, and see you guys when practice and qualifying is over. So we are back from practice and qualifying. Got a 9th place qualifying position. Pretty good for a track that I'm not really good at in this game. So I'm using a custom setup for this. So yeah, we're about to go green. Austin Wayne, Self, Spencer, Boyd don't look like themselves. They have the cold symbol. So guess we're about ready to go green here.
Man. You're coming to the green. Be ready here.
And the green flag is out here at Las Vegas.
Got a car high now. Clear high, clear high.
Oh, I got a good restart. Going right beside Mike Crafton right there.
Careful, still there.
Now we're at the P6.
Careful, still there.
Oh, I think that's Zane Smith.
Got
Yeah,
one peeking outside.
don't want to make contact with him.
All right, you're clear then.
And we might have a fast truck at Las Vegas too.
Stay low.
Dip down to the
All
apron.
right, you're clear there. 5 to go. You got this.
All right, 5 to go in stage number 1. Burns is sitting P3.
Careful,
We can take
still
that
there.
second position away from Grant Enfinger. Can we side draft him? Hold up. There we go. Now I take P2 away from him. Johnny Sauter, he's a beast in this game. He's in the lead right now. Let's see if we can track him down. 4 laps to go in stage 1. Oh, we're getting loose off turn 2. Oh, we gotta run. To the inside, and we take the lead.
You're clear then.
Oh,
What you
he
think
might
of
do a
that
crossover on us, and he does. He said no. He takes the lead back.
Careful, still there.
Oh, rub up against him a little. That could have been a little dirty, but yeah.
Stay on the bottom.
Get that run. Yep, a little side draft. Oh, stay in it. Ah, losing speed on that corner.
Top 5 that stage.
Oh.
That'll get the job done, driver.
I guess the caution came out in that stage. It ended prematurely. I'll get second in that stage. I'll take it. I almost won it, but Johnny Sauter took it. So yeah, that was the stage. Alright, so we are back for stage number 2. Took 4 tires and fuel. I guess everyone else did, because they didn't lose positions.
Almost ready now.
The green flag is in the air. Johnny Sauter and I'll lead us down. Oh, I get a jump off the restart. Huge jump off the restart. Man, I guess this setup gives you good restarts. I don't know. Wow. Huge advantage from that. Also, this setup isn't shipped up into 4th gear, so yeah. Kind of a little bit different. But it is fast. You can barely see the other cars in the rearview mirror. I think we might have a good chance to win this race. I don't want to speak too soon. But yeah. As long as we can stay out of trouble, we might win this race. Cut down to the apron.
You got this.
Oh yeah, we got this. I'll slide up a little. We're good. Probably not gonna talk as much. I gotta stay concentrated. Relapse to go in stage 2. Dive early in turns number 1 and 2. There we go. They catching up to me? Don't know. They could be. Yep, they are.
2 laps left. Stay calm.
2 cars. Sheldon Creed.
Got 1 down low now.
Tires must be wearing. That's causing me to lose speed a little.
Stay high up here. Got a car low now.
It looked like I was dominating the stage, but then comes the other guys that were fast.
You got 1 to go.
1 to go in stage number 2.
Still there inside.
Yeah, I'm kind of losing speed when the tires wear. Don't know what's happening. Don't know what's wrong with that. But yeah, get top 5 in this stage. Oh no, we're losing speed drastically in those turns.
Top 10 that stage. That's where the viewpoint.
At least we stuck. At least we got a top 10 in the stage before things started to get really ugly. Yeah, that's the stage. And okay, we're back from stage number 1 and 2.
Almost ready now.
How to finish the final few laps of this race. Green flag's back in the air.
Side.
One thing about this setup is that you get a huge advantage on the restarts. Yeah, I'm blazing on the restarts. When those tires wear, I slow a lot more. Slow a lot more than the other drivers.
Alright.
Oh, I bumped into Sheldon Creed. I didn't mean to do that.
Alright, you're clear then.
Yeah, take the lead. Yeah, well, I guess when the tires were on the setup, you slow faster than other drivers, and they end up stealing the lead from you. Try not to go to the apron to block.
Got 1 down low now.
Gosh, Sheldon Creed. Kind of fast.
Bottom clear.
Alright, I gotta go into fence mode. They're trying to run me over. See if we can stick it.
Inside.
This thing's not wanting to stick down to the bottom lane. I don't know why.
Inside.
Oh, here they come. Oh, Zane Smith.
Alright, you're clear there. Inside.
Oh, one moment I was kind of dominating the race, and these guys
Hold your line, got one inside.
come in. Oh, I'm losing traction. Oh,
Still there.
could have gone even worse.
Looking inside now.
Can't do anything. I don't have the inside
Hold your line,
lane.
got one inside. Clear all around, man.
Oh, someone's on pit road.
Car there on the outside.
Oh, I left it too late. Ah, I'm getting loose off the corners. Green flag pit stops might come into effect.
Car outside, hold your line.
Here comes Austin Hill on the outside. I'm starting to get run over.
Follow left, concentrate for me. Careful, still there. Inside.
There's Brett Moffitt. Hold on to it! Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Watch that car in front of you. He's slowing down. He's going to be pitting.
Oh my gosh. The truck was so loose coming off the corners. Oh, Ben Rhodes ran into me. Dang, man. That's unfortunate. Oh. So he got loose coming off that corner and crashed the car, and
Coming to the green.
now I gotta start
Are you
30th.
ready here?
Let's see how everything plays out. Maybe we can climb back up to the top of the to the front of the field. Once again, huge advantage on restarts.
Still there. Still there.
Hopefully we get back up in the top 10. Oh, hit the wall. It's not good.
Still there. You got room. You're clear. All clear. Careful. Still there. 5 to go, driver. Hold your line. Top 3, use it if you need it. Inside.
Go ahead and navigate the high lane to pass these cars. Oh, we're flying.
All right, you're clear.
See if we can crack that top 10. No, we're getting loose. No! Why is this truck getting loose?
3 wide, keep pushing. Car there on the inside.
Oh my gosh, this is a nightmare.
Stay high up here. Low clear.
Truck getting me loose in the corners. I wonder why I'm not good at this track.
Hold your line. Got one outside. You got room. You're clear there. Got a car low now.
3 laps to go. Let's see what we can make out of this thing.
Careful, still there. You got room. You're clear. Caution's out. Wave them off.
Caution comes out. That probably saves me from getting loose coming off the corners. And now let's see if we can get a top 10. Because they're all jumbled back up now.
Ready? Green, green, green. Inside.
Get that jump on the restart, maybe.
Here we go, driver. Hold your line. Stay high. Still there.
Mike Harmon, 11th. That's good for him.
You're all clear on the bottom there. Top 3, use it if you need it.
Alright, we cracked the top 10. Let's see if we can stay there. 1 lap to go. They're all jumbled up
4 more to go.
from the restart. I have a huge run.
Careful, still there.
Oh, I stick it. I do.
You're clear. You're all clear up top.
Block him. P7. Let's see if we can hold it. Come off 4. Looks like Grant Infigur's in the lead. I'm sliding up a little. Chastain's gonna probably get that position. And we get 8th. We did have some speed apart from but what ruined us is us just getting loose off the corners, but our big advantage was the restarts. We did get good restarts, but yeah, because it seems like the truck is loose when you come off the corners when your tires are worn. Guess I had to be more careful with that, but that was a pretty good comeback. Got a top 10 position after wrecking. Yeah, that's the race for you. Of it, Atlanta is the next race in the season, and I'm done with my part. So goodbye, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.